Which choice best describes the time shown? 6 o'clock. Between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Or 7 o'clock. The hour hand points to the 6. Click the time shown on the clock. So it's 6 o'clock. Here's another clock. Look at its hour hand. Which choice best describes the time shown on this clock? 6 o'clock. Between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Or 7 o'clock. Click the time shown on the clock. The hour hand points between the 6 and the 7. So it's between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Here's one more clock. Look at the hour hand. Which choice best describes the time shown? 6 o'clock. Between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Or 7 o'clock. Click the time shown on the clock. The hour hand points to the 7. So it's 7 o'clock. How could you describe the movement of the hour hand on the clocks from one to the next? The hour hand starts at the 6, moves between the 6 and the 7, and then moves to the 7. The hour hand moves around the clock to measure time as it passes. What time does this clock show? The hour hand is between 9 and which other number? Right, the hour hand is between 9 and 10. So the time is between what time and 10 o'clock? Great job! The time is between the hours of 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. As an hour passes, the hour hand on a clock moves from one number to the next. When a half hour has passed, the hour hand points halfway between two numbers. In this clock, the hour hand is halfway between the 9 and the 10. You can say this time as 9:30 o'clock. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Tim plays soccer at 9:30 o'clock. He eats lunch at 2:30 o'clock. He sees a movie at 3:30 o'clock. Look at the clock. Select what Tim does at the time shown on the clock.
Well done!
Tyra has a piano lesson at 1 o'clock. The lesson ends at 1:30 o'clock. How much time is Tyra at her lesson?
Great work! Excellent! Good job!
Now try your homework on.
Look at where the hour hand points.
Well done.
Look at where the hour hand points. What is the time?
You did it!
Look at where the hour hand points. What is the time?
Great work!
Look at where the hour hand points.
Awesome!
Look at where the hour hand points.
Excellent!
Maya starts reading at 1:30. Select the clock that shows the time Maya starts reading.
You did it!
Tim plays soccer at 7:30. He eats lunch at 12:30. He sees a movie at 1:30. Look at the clock. Select what Tim does at the time shown on the clock.
Fantastic!
Tara has a piano lesson at 3 o'clock. The lesson ends at 3:30. How much time is Tyra at her lesson?
Awesome!
What time is it?
Great work!
Avery has forgotten how to read 1:30 on a clock. Which clock shows 1:30?
You did it!